Audio, testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Let's make fun of you.
You making fun of me?
That's fun.
But why would you do that? Yeah, there's a lot of parts. Alright, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bethany with Craft with Bethany, and I have an assistant with me today.
Hola.
This is my son Brock. He's home from college for a few days for Thanksgiving break, so I asked him if he could be my emotional support teenager to help me put together my new Sailrite machine. So you're looking at the back of it here. We've got it facing us because it is heavy, but we are going to be assembling the final few pieces that are required to get this machine up and running once you get one. So I want to give a big shout out to my friends over at Sailrite for sending me this machine and getting to play with it, but we're going to be getting it set up. So I asked him to help me out because it came with a few extra things that they sent over, and one of those things being the speed reduction upgrade option, which is quite a hefty tool here. I'm going to hold that up. Woohoo, there we go, over there. So we're going to figure out how to assemble all of these pieces. We've got the stickers, we got everything. I even got an accessory kit just for bag making because that's what I intend to use this machine for mostly, is bag making. But I will say Sailrite has some wonderful video tutorials on setting this up. So while I am making a YouTube video on us doing it together, I'm so glad he's here to support me. They have wonderful videos. So we're actually just going to be watching their videos and setting it up. So let's see how it goes. All right, so this is the plug to something. And we have some more bits and pieces that I think go with this. My problem was I was so excited to unbox it that I just took everything out.
Yep.
All right, so we have some stitch out samples, a bobbin. There's a little QR code and magnet that comes with it for Learning to Sew series, and then the guidebook videos, but they also send you emails once you get your machine, once it's delivered, to set you up. So this goes with this. Mm-hmm. And then their tutorial, instruction book, is phenomenal. It's in color. It's spiral bound. You will hold on to this dearly because you'll sit down and go, wait, how do I wind a bobbin? Or how does this thread? And it takes a little while to get used to a new machine. So this is extremely nice to have. And this big box right here is all of my extra bag making goodies. So we'll look at that later. But let's pull up the videos. I have my iPad here so that we can watch them. And I'll put a link in the description to the website where it has all of the videos listed, the video series. And it says it'll take you about 30 minutes to get this set up.
It's not bad.
Do you think we can do it in 30 minutes?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Hopefully. So we're going to go through the step-by-step guide. There's different video topics, so they break it down. But we're going to start with the step-by-step assembly and go from there. you want to sew something?
No.
No? You worked so hard to put it together.
That's
We
what I do.
can sew through one of these if you want. Want to give it a go?
Sure.
All right, so to lower the foot, leave that alone. To lower the foot, you're going to lift that towards you. All the way. And then this is your foot down here. We're going to use the foot control. So use your right foot.
Can I press it?
Well, you want to hold your threads when you first start so that they don't come in out of the needle. So go ahead, real slow. There you go. And then if you do this, it goes back. How fun is that?
That's fine.
Okay, stop. I'm gonna lift this all the way back up, this needle all the way back up. There we go. I'm gonna lift this, take your foot off the control. There we go. It's the only scissors I got handy. Not bad. Not bad at all.
It's not. Yeah.
Look, you did it.
Hooray! Press the button.
You pressed the button. I appreciate your help. Hugs. You're the best.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now what do you want to go do? You want to sew something else? Don't you dare! Thanks for your help.
Yep.
All right.
Adios.
Well, he's out.
Yep. You want a nice chair?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
I'll sit right here. Thanks for your help, bud.
Are we open?
All right, I'll be out in a sec.
Okay.
All right, well, he's off to do whatever, but that literally didn't take us long at all. Just a few minutes. We had so much fun doing it together. I'm really glad he helped me out because he did some of the heavy lifting. Yeah, so now my machine's set up and ready to go, and I'm like, well, what am I going to make first? So you'll have to come back to my channel to see the first thing I make with my Sailrite. I cannot wait to show you. All right, guys, happy sewing. If you're interested in one of these machines, I've got them linked below to learn all about Sailrite machines and if it's the right fit for you and your sewing projects. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.